Everyone, myself Avijit Sinha, and today I am going to start question answer of chapter number 7, human environment. From something to know, take the correct option. So let's we start. Question number 1 is, which one of the following represent human environment? Forest, it is for wildlife. Desert, it is belong to dispersed settlement. Ocean, it is for aquatic life. City is belong to human environment. The uneven terrain of highland areas resulted in dispersed settlement because uneven terrain it is not comfortable for the settlement. Transportation is helpful for the industrialization of a place. The floating towns are large mechanized ship. It means large ship, cargo ship, also known as floating towns. Next is number 5. HBJ pipelines is used for the transportation of natural gas, or pipeline is also helpful for transportation of liquid materials. Next is fill in the blanks. Number 1 is road transport is used for shorter distances. Blanks are commonly used for transportation of liquid materials. It is pipeline. Metro is available in large cities like Delhi and Mumbai. Nomads are completely depends on the environment to satisfy their basic needs or to fulfill their basic needs. Television provide communication service even to the remote areas of the country. Remote areas means rural areas or a village areas. Write true or false for the following statement. Number 1. Pipelines are the most important means for transporting solid goods. It is false because it is comfortable for or fit for transporting liquid and gaseous goods or materials. Metro rails are the fastest and the most comfortable means of transporting metropolitan cities. Yes, it is true. Waterways are the cheapest mode of transport. It is also true. In ancient time, cultivation was commonly in the hilly areas. It is false. It is in river valley areas in ancient times. Plains are the least favorable location for the establishment of compact settlement. No, plains are most favorable location for the establishment of compact settlement. Next is come on to the question answer. Answer the following question in brief. What are wait point settlement? You have already read this line. Wait point settlement. In this chapter, we will only do some questions because some portions or some topics already deleted for final syllabus. So come on to the page number 50. These settlements are grow around a source of water are known as wait point settlement. बस इतना ही लिखना है, सफिशियंट है. Next is long question or answer the following question in detail. Number 1. What are the various factors responsible for the permanent settlement? Come on to the page number 50. These 3 factors, availability of water, relief features and special sites, are responsible for permanent settlement. Answer जो होगा वो यहीं से होगा. Availability of water. Availability of water. Water is an important source for the growth of villages and towns. In desert areas as well, the houses are clustered around the source of water. This source may be well, a pond or an oasis. This settlement that grows around the source of water are known as wetland settlement. It means रिवर वैली एरिया और टाउन्स एरिया में आसानी से वाटर अवेलेबल हो सकता है, बट डेजर्ट एरिया में जहाँ पे वाटर स्कैरसिटी है वहाँ पे लोग कहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा क्लस्टर्ड वे में सेटल होते हैं. तो जहाँ पे उनको वेल मिलता है, पॉन्ड, लेक या फिर ओएसिस जैसा एरिया दिखाई देता है वो. और वैसा एरिया क्या कहलाता है? वेट पॉइंट सेटलमेंट। वेट भींगा हुआ हो मतलब पानी है वहाँ पे, पॉइंट एरिया है वो, एंड सेटलमेंट लोग वहाँ पे सेटल्ड हैं। दैट्स वाई सच टाइप्स ऑफ एरिया नोन एज वेट पॉइंट सेटलमेंट। नेक्स्ट इज रिलीफ फीचर्स। प्लेन एरियाज आर comfortable for the settlements or for compact settlement. Desert areas are desperate settlement. Mountainous region only for forest or cover areas or densely forest cover area. And next is last one is special sites such as some educational centers or pilgrimage center are also densely populated. Question number 4. What was the impact of the discovery of fire, wheel and iron on human civilization? Come on to the page number 49. The discoveries of fire, iron and wheel were big step towards civilization. The tools become more sophisticated, it means more convenient, and farmers started cultivation crop near the river valley or river banks like Nile River or Indus Valley. Near Nile River, the civilization is known as Nile Valley civilization, and near Indus Valley or Indus River, the civilization is known as Indus Valley civilization. With the passage of time, human beings learned new ways of farming. Now they started living a settled life as crop required constant care throughout the cropping period. They were not required to move from one place to another place in search of food and could afford to settle down at one place. Hence, building a permanent settlement, domestication of animals, and use of cloth made of fiber became a part of human life. And it is how it is possible? It is only because of the after invention of or discoveries of fire, wheel, and iron. बस इतना ही सफिशियंट है ये एक पैराग्राफ. Now chapter 7 human environment is over. So later on we start our new chapter from new videos. Okay, thanks to all of you.